financial deal just went down. One of the richest men in the world bought one of the biggest companies in Oregon.
Billionaire Warren Buffett just bought aerospace and heavy industry contractor Precision Castparts for $37 billion. And our Tim Becker spent the day getting the facts about the biggest business deal ever in Oregon.
Yeah, you know, it's not just the biggest deal for Berkshire Hathaway, but it also is for the state of Oregon. And it did catch much of the financial world off guard. But, you know, I also found out that it does make a lot of sense if you take a look at what Precision Castparts here is all about and how Warren Buffett operates.
And the truth is that business and government and we all have to work together.
Warren Buffett's no-nonsense, pragmatic approach is also the trademark of his Berkshire Hathaway holdings, a management style that Precision Castparts,
a world leader in aerospace and power generation,
has used to build itself into Oregon's second largest company.
There's a lot of accountability, and now the flip side of that is that there's also a lot of profit sharing, and so, you know, when the company does well, the employees do well.
Business professor John Down worked for Precision Castparts about 25 years ago. He tells me the company has strong operations and efficiency-oriented management systems. Because of that, the fact its stock dropped from well over $250 a share to below $200 earlier this year made it even more attractive to Buffett's investment-driven company.
There's been some times when Precision Castparts stock, in hindsight, has been a screaming deal, and, you know, I think that that's kind of what Berkshire Hathaway is saying.
Buffett says he's admired Precision Castparts for a long time. Today, the company's CEO issued this statement saying, "We see a unique alignment between Warren's management and investment philosophy and how we manage Precision Castparts for the long term."
It's pretty amazing, really, that it is such a big purchase and was such a quick thing.
Down thinks employees will see little change and that Berkshire Hathaway will continue to let the company operate independently. A win-win deal for both. The $37 billion price, $10 billion more than the Oregon company's market value just 3 days ago.
It is somewhat of a surprising deal, and it's from a psychological point of view, it's a little bit sad, I think, losing another Fortune 500 company that's headquartered here.
So Precision Castparts Corporation has about 30,000 employees around the world, 3,000 of them right here in Oregon. And with news of today's sale, the price of their stock jumped $37 a share to $230 a share just today. Still, though, that is $5 below what Warren Buffett is paying for it. Live in Southeast Portland, Tim Becker, KOIN 6 News.
And Tim, John, who you talked to there, he touched on it about the Fortune 500 companies. Portland has one of the least number of Fortune 500 companies per capita of any major city in America, so it's a big deal. Thank you, sir.